Imagine running Facebook ads that practically write themselves. Ads that learn from each campaign, get smarter, and bring you results without the hours of manual tweaking. Welcome to the future of digital marketing, where AI and automation take the guesswork out of Facebook ads. In today's video, we're diving into how you can harness the power of AI to run Facebook ads that outperform your competition and deliver maximum ROI. Stay tuned, because this is going to transform the way you think about marketing forever. Let me tell you a story. A small e-commerce brand struggling to get their Facebook ads off the ground was facing an all-too-common problem. Too much money spent on ads with very little return. They tried everything, from audience retargeting to tweaking ad copy, but nothing worked, until they discovered AI automation for Facebook ads. Within weeks, their ads were optimized to target the perfect audience, adjust bids, and refine copy automatically. Sales skyrocketed by 300%, and it didn't stop there. What changed? A simple shift from manual to automated ads powered by AI. This breakthrough isn't just for big brands, it's for everyone. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how you can apply these same strategies to your business. Welcome to Dreamy Digital, where we explore the cutting edge of AI marketing, automation, and tech innovations that shape the future of digital strategies. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and leverage the latest tools to grow your business, you're in the right place. Here at Dreamy Digital, we are passionate about simplifying the complex world of digital marketing with AI-powered solutions that deliver real results and comfort. So how do you actually run Facebook ads in 2024? It's not just about setting a budget and hoping for the best anymore. With over 2 billion active users on Facebook, ad competition is fierce. What sets successful campaigns apart today is how you use AI to maximize the efficiency of your ads. AI can optimize your targeting, create data-driven ad variations, and even manage your bids in real time. According to recent studies, businesses using AI for ad optimization have seen a 30% increase in ad performance and a 25% reduction in costs. Whether you're a startup or an established brand, running AI-powered Facebook ads is the game changer you need. Let's break this down. Running Facebook ads in the age of AI revolves around 3 core pillars: automation, optimization, and data. First, AI-driven tools like Facebook's automated ads or third-party platforms such as AdEspresso take the manual work out of creating ads. You start by feeding the system with data, your product details, your target audience, and your campaign goals. And AI will generate multiple ad variations, test them, and choose the best-performing ones for you. Second, audience targeting is where AI truly shines. Facebook's AI uses machine learning to analyze your audience behavior, finding patterns and preferences to deliver your ads to the most likely buyers. For example, if you're selling fitness gear, AI can identify users who recently searched for workout routines or joined fitness groups. And the more your ad runs, the smarter the AI becomes at predicting who will convert. Lastly, let's talk about real-time bid optimization. AI automatically adjusts your bids depending on ad performance, ensuring you're not overspending on clicks that don't convert. AI tools monitor data from thousands of campaigns, learning which strategies yield the best results. This means more control over your ad spend and a better return on investment. Pro tip: here are 3 actionable steps to immediately implement these strategies. Set up Facebook automated ads. Start by setting up automated ads and let AI take control of your ad variations. Leverage AI audience insights. Use AI to create lookalike audiences based on customer data, increasing the chances of reaching your ideal audience. Automate bid adjustments. Activate AI-based bid strategies to ensure your budget is spent efficiently, lowering costs while improving performance. One AI-powered tool that stands out is Facebook's Dynamic Creative Ads. This tool allows you to input different ad components, headlines, images, videos, and copy, and AI will mix and match them to create thousands of combinations. It will then analyze which combinations work best with different audience segments. For instance, let's say you're advertising a new tech gadget. Instead of manually testing variations, Dynamic Creative Ads will automatically display the optimal combination based on user engagement data, ensuring your audience sees the most effective ad. Another powerful AI tool is ChatGPT-powered ad copy generators. By using AI to craft ad copy that speaks directly to your audience's pain points and desires, you can significantly improve engagement rates. And the best part? It does it faster than any human can. Right now, a viral trend in digital marketing is the use of AI to predict consumer behavior. Predictive AI tools analyze your customer data and trends to forecast what type of content or ads will resonate with them next. This means your Facebook ads can actually predict what your customers want before they even search for it. This trend is growing rapidly, and marketers who are leveraging predictive AI are seeing incredible engagement on their campaigns. The next big wave in AI-driven marketing is already here, and if you're not on board, you're missing out. Let's narrow it down to the specifics of ad performance. One overlooked aspect of running Facebook ads is utilizing Facebook's AI-powered ad relevance diagnostics. This tool breaks down your ad performance into 3 categories: quality ranking, engagement ranking, and conversion ranking. By focusing on these 3 metrics, you can continuously improve your ads over time. This is an advanced feature that few marketers fully take advantage of, but it can make a huge difference in your campaign's success. You might be wondering, how does AI impact your ad budget? AI actually helps you stretch your budget further by automatically optimizing your ads based on real-time data. Another common question is, what are the challenges of automating Facebook ads? The biggest challenge is ensuring you provide AI with enough quality data to make informed decisions. If your audience data isn't accurate, even AI can't save your campaign. But as long as you feed it the right information, AI can supercharge your marketing. Imagine running an AI-driven Facebook ad for a product launch. You enter your product details, upload a few images and videos, and let AI generate variations of your ads. As the ads go live, AI monitors which versions perform best, adjusting bids and showing the right content to the right audience in real time. You sit back and watch as the AI continues optimizing, learning with each click and conversion, until your product flies off the shelves, all without you lifting a finger. If you're ready to take your Facebook ads to the next level, don't forget to subscribe to Dreamy Digital for more tips on AI marketing, tech innovations, and digital strategies.